Hello, today we will talk about the benefits of Verbatik extension for Chrome, and how to install it. First of all, to use our extension you need to have an active account on verbatik.com. Let's assume I've registered and now I'm logged into my personal Verbatik account. Once you are on your dashboard, you are free to go, because now you can use Verbatik extension anywhere. And let me show how easy it is. For example, we want to hear an article from Forbes. We just copy the part we need for our speech and click on the extension icon. Once we are in the application, we can name our project, and paste the text we need to make into speech. And now we have final results, which we can play or download from our browser.
It's certainly far too early to write off the long-term success story that could be Brex. But a year later, Forbes estimates the company's value has...
And we also downloaded the final results which we can integrate in our videos and projects. One more thing, in case you see the app is asking you to log in, please use the website version of verbatik.com to log in, and click on Remember Me so that your session won't expire and you will be able to use it. Thank you, and welcome to Verbatik.